How often, looking at these dresses, have you wondered, what fabric are these dresses made of? Where to buy it? And how much does it cost? You won't find such fabrics anywhere. It is not for sale. These fabrics are created exclusively and embroidered by hand. Have you ever wondered, what if you could create it yourself? In this course, you will learn how to do it, and it's not as hard as it may seem. Such beauty is created by Luneville hooks using the tambour embroidery technique. Using various accessories, you can achieve fantastic effects. If you want your dress to shine and sparkle under the spotlight, choose faceted beads and sequins. If you want your dress to have a vintage sophistication, take matte beads and pearls for embroidery. Naturally, there are professional techniques and secrets to create a unique product, and I am ready to share them, so you could create exclusive, one-of-a-kind items. We will begin by building a pattern according to the measurements of a client. Based on the calculations from the pattern alteration software, I will create a personalized pattern. Then I will transform this pattern into a pattern for a new dress. Moreover, its parts will be determined by the embroidery design. I will explain in detail how to do this. I will give specific recommendations on the preparations before starting embroidery. Using the prepared patterns, I will begin to embroider with a Luneville hook. From a simple skin-colored mesh, a unique fabric will be born, embroidered with beads and pearls. I will dwell in detail on how to place the details of the pattern on the grid correctly and how to fix them into the frame to avoid deformation. This is extremely important and useful information for embroidering stretch fabrics. It is especially important to stick to a pre-prepared plan. I will show you which details are embroidered first and which ones last. The embroidered parts must be combined into a single piece. How to connect embroidered items. How to fit the parts on the lining. How to do a fit test. These are special techniques for this, but they are simple and straightforward. Trust me and repeat the whole sequence of operations. A light, flowing chiffon skirt complements the bride's look. It consists of 5 parts, from 2/4 of the sun and 3 half suns. Each part has its own individual cutting radius. Calculate them correctly in seconds using our unique pattern alteration software. I am sure that this skirt will become your favorite. It can be separated, as in this case, or it can be part of the dress, sewn to the bodice. I will show you how to efficiently and quickly cut all parts of the skirt to save you time and fabric. When the dress is ready, after the fit test, you will be so proud of yourself. For this dress, I did just one single fitting, and only for clarifying the length of the chiffon skirt. Accuracy in pattern drafting, correct embroidery tactics, and a clear sequence of assembly of parts are the key to speed and success. Learned all the intricacies of work, you can create dresses of incredible beauty. After all, now you do not need to look for any special materials in the store. You yourself will create whatever you want. Any color, any style, and any pattern. I point you to the right direction, and it's up to you to walk the path and to make your dreams reality.